Deciding which country is better to live and work in, Greece or Spain, is subjective and can depend on individual preferences and priorities. However, I can provide you with some information about both countries to help you make an informed decision. So, let's talk about Greece. Greece is renowned for its stunning natural landscapes, including picturesque islands, beautiful beaches, and historical sites such as the Acropolis. If you appreciate natural beauty and a rich historical heritage, Greece might be appealing to you. Greece offers a relaxed and laid-back Mediterranean lifestyle. People often enjoy leisurely meals, socializing, and spending time outdoors. The Mediterranean climate with warm summers and mild winters is another advantage. What about the cost of living in Greece? Greece generally has a lower cost of living compared to many other European countries. Housing, transportation, and daily expenses can be more affordable, especially in smaller cities or rural areas. Now let's take a look at Spain. Spain is renowned for its vibrant culture, lively festivals like La Tomatina and Running of the Bulls, flamenco music and dance, and world-famous artists like Picasso and Gaudi. If you seek a rich cultural experience, Spain offers a diverse and exciting atmosphere. Spain has a larger economy compared to Greece, which may result in more employment opportunities, particularly in sectors like tourism, hospitality, and agriculture. Cities like Barcelona and Madrid attract international companies and offer a dynamic business environment. Spain boasts a diverse climate and geography, ranging from sunny beaches to mountainous regions. Whether you prefer a Mediterranean climate or want to experience snowy winters in the Pyrenees, Spain offers a variety of landscapes and climates to suit different preferences. It's essential to consider factors such as language barriers, job prospects in your field, healthcare systems, educational opportunities, and personal preferences when choosing between Greece and Spain. Conducting thorough research, visiting both countries if possible, and consulting with individuals who have lived or worked there can provide further insights to help you make a well-informed decision. In general, Spain tends to offer higher earning potential compared to Greece. Several factors contribute to this difference. Let's look at the economy of Spain and Greece. Spain has a larger and more diverse economy compared to Greece. It has a well-developed industrial sector, including manufacturing, tourism, services, and technology. This economic diversity provides a broader range of job opportunities and potentially higher salaries. Spain attracts foreign investment and international companies, particularly in cities like Barcelona and Madrid. These urban centers offer a wider range of job opportunities and tend to pay higher salaries compared to smaller cities or rural areas. Greece, while making progress, has a smaller job market in comparison. Although Spain generally offers higher earning potential, it's important to consider the cost of living. The cost of living in major Spanish cities like Barcelona or Madrid can be higher than in smaller cities or rural areas. It's essential to analyze the balance between salary levels and living expenses to determine your actual purchasing power. It's important to note that individual circumstances, such as your profession, industry, qualifications, and experience, can significantly influence your earning potential in either country. It is advisable to research specific industries and job markets in both Spain and Greece, as well as to consider your personal qualifications and career prospects to make a more accurate assessment of potential income.